Good day, Ma'am Sir. I'm Ranolin. I'm 38 years old, married, and from the Philippines. I have two children. My eldest is 13 years old, and my youngest is 12 years old. As a mother, I have a lot of experience in taking care of children with patience, love, and responsibility. Aside from taking care of my children, Um, I also have 3 years of experience taking care of my neighbor's children from my previous place, where I work as a nanny. This experience taught me how to properly care for children, understand their needs, ensure their safety, and help them with their daily routine. I am experienced in household chores such as cleaning, laundry, ironing, organizing the house, and maintaining the cleanliness. In fact, I'm a detail oriented person. Cooking is also one of my hobbies, and I enjoy preparing meals. I am willing to learn your preferred dishes and carefully follow instructions. I can also help tutor children, especially in English language, reading, and basic learning because I have good English communication skills. I am hardworking, honest, patient, and reliable. I can adapt easily, follow instructions well, and I always do my best in my work. I will respect your family, your culture, and your household rules. If you choose me to work with your family, I will serve you with dedication, sincerity, and patience. Thank you very much.